Hello, good morning. Happy to be connected today. And this video I'm creating for my students. Today I'm going to show you how to show tags, levels and slopes in a 3D view. Actually, you can show more information in 3D. Today I'm going to talk about tags, levels and slope only. Let's continue with the video. Okay, so here I have already shown a tag. It's a wall tag, so that reads information from a wall, and I'm giving spot elevation and a slope. So now I'm going to show you how to add tags, levels and slope in a 3D view. So I'm just going to create a new 3D view. Let's go to 3D view. So this is my 3D view. You can change your graphics however you want. Okay, to add a slope you can go to annotate and then take spot slope, and here you can add a slope. Actually, you can change your scale to keep your annotation more visible. Right, let's give 1:50 and give OK. Here you can give the slope. If you want to add an elevation, you can go to spot elevation, then take an elevation. But if you are going to add tag, Revit is going to give a message saying the orientation of 3D view must be locked before you can add tags or keynotes. Okay, so what I should do is I have to lock my 3D view. So here you can see a small home button with a lock. You have to click here and then save orientation and lock view. Give a new name and then give OK. Now I can add tag. Okay, that's how it works. And if you want to show levels, you can show levels in 3D view. Go to visibility graphics, annotation, take levels, give OK, and all your levels are visible, but they are away from the building. So it's better you add a scope box. Let's add a scope box closer to the building. I'm going to take scope box here and then just take scope box, go to 3D view, let the scope box cover all your building. Logically it has to cover all your levels. Select all the levels and then select scope box. Now you can see this is more closer to our building. Let's go to the same 3D view. So go to your 3D view and then here you can hide the scope box. I'm hiding with EH, element hide in the keyboard. Press EH to hide elements in the keyboard and then keep them more related to the building. So that's how we can see them more clearly. So we have to make somehow, so we have to make things clear. Once it is clear, I can lock the view and then I can add details. I can add tag by category. I can add a tag. I can add a spot elevation. can add slope. That's all. I hope now you have understood how to add details in 3D view. If you have any question, then please ask me in my YouTube channel, or you can give me a WhatsApp message or contact me in LinkedIn. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.